Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best sewing machine for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Singer MX231 sewing machine. Singer MX231 sewing machine is a simple sewing machine that offers basic and decorative stitches. It also covers the stretch stitches, offering you with the capability to work with a wide range of fabrics. Using MX231, you can stitch sheer barrack to denim clothing without any hassles. This machine has a function that lets you adjust stitch width and length. Making buttonholes is very easy with this machine. You just have to flip a button to create consistent buttonhole. The adjustable presser foot on this machine makes space for all types of fabric in the machine feed. You can adjust it go between thin to thick fabrics with ease. The machine glides through them all and gives you smooth and consistent finish. With this machine, you do not have to sweat to thread the needle. It has a built-in needle threader that does the job faster and without any efforts from your end. The front-load bobbins on MX231 further simplifies the process. The bobbins are easy to wind and place in position without disturbing the needle plate position. The stitch selection dial on MX231 is another key feature that gives the power in your hands. You simply have to rotate a dial to select the stitch you want to sew with and can execute even complicated finishes with ease. Singer provides 24/7 assistance for this sewing machine. You have to install an app where help will be available on your fingertips round the clock. MX231 is an easy-to-use machine and even beginners can start using it from day one. This machine has the right number of features and functions that make it useful for those looking to learn sewing and do more as they practice. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Singer Mechanical MX60 sewing machine. Singer MX60 is a mechanical sewing machine that is ideal for beginners. This machine comes with a handful of basic functions and the design is easy to understand. If you have never used a sewing machine, this machine will get you on the ride within minutes. MX60 has several stitches, therefore, you can do more with the basic options. This machine is the best choice for you if you plan to sew occasionally and do not plan to pull off creative projects with the machine. MX60 has a simple manual dial to switch between stitch types. You can hop from one to another by just turning the dial. The dial has been neatly detailed, so that you can quickly find the setting you are looking for. You can also change machine settings with the dial. This machine comes with 6 essential stitches that can take care of most of the basic stitching. This sewing machine has preset stitch length and width. Although this simplifies the process, it may not be good news for those who plan to sew a lot. Further, this machine has manual settings and there is no LCD screen for controls. You will also not be able to see what you are doing until the stitches are executed on the fabric. There are 57 stitch applications on the machine that provide you with a variety of stitch types, widths and lengths. These applications cover basic sewing, decorative sewing and more. So, with this machine you can make quilts, stitch clothes, perform repairs and do more with ease and simplicity. MX60 has a simple design and it is highly portable. You can carry it around easily and work on your sewing projects in total comfort. If you are looking for a sewing machine that is simple yet is capable of completing most sewing projects, MX60 is for you. It can very well be your first sewing machine. At number 3, we have the Brother XM2701 basic sewing machine. Brother XM2701 is a portable sewing machine that is ideal for beginners who plan to take up simple sewing projects. With 800 stitches per minute, this machine offers a decent working speed along with its simple design and an affordable price tag. According to experts, this machine is ideal for both beginners and intermediate level sewing and can perfectly handle everyday sewing projects. This machine has loads of valuable functions and is shipped with an accessory bag that consists of 3 bobbins, a screwdriver for repairs, sewing needles and thread spools. Brother XM2701 comes with a comprehensive and instructional DVD and manual that can help you set up and learn the basics of the machine. All the lessons are relevant to basic level sewing. This machine is compact in size and has a white body. Transporting this machine from one place to another is an easy job. The machine's body is made of a durable material that will last you quite a few years. Brother XM2701 comes with a power cord and foot pedal to power your machine. Once you set up the machine, it will run on electricity with the help of the foot pedal that you can press according to your need. The stitches on the machine can be controlled using an easy-to-use dial. You have to simply rotate it to your desired stitch type before you push the pedal and sit back as the machine works to produce fine results. At number 2, we have the Janome Lady Lilac easy-to-use sewing machine. Lady Lilac is Janome's kid-friendly sewing machine that is also small and portable. This sewing machine looks like a toy but comes loaded with a multitude of functions that make it ideal for a beginner. This machine has 12 built-in stitches that are capable of handling all types of simple sewing projects. Lady Lilac weighs just 5 pounds, which probably makes it the lightest sewing machine available in the market right now. You can easily store it in your wardrobe and carry it to sewing lessons when needed. Lady Lilac has an aluminum die-cast frame and is fitted with handles for easy shifting. This machine works on instructions from rotary dial controls that are easy to understand and use. Lady Lilac comes with a number of accessories like bobbins, needle set, threader and foot switch. This machine has 10 stitch options and a left and center needle position. It also has a tension control dial that helps to manage thread tension, and the 4-point dog feed system holds and works with all types of fabric. There's a built-in accessory tray in Lady Lilac that lets you store needles, thread, bobbins and other supplies of the machine under the hood. What's more, this machine is available in several bright and beautiful colors that can jazz up your hobby room. And finally at number 1, we have the NEX Portable Sewing Machine. NEX Portable Sewing Machine is a 2.2-pound sewing machine for children. This machine is basic in design and has no complicated features that may confuse children or beginners. It has 2 sewing speeds, low and high, that can be chosen based on working comfort. NEX sewing machine has just 1 stitch pattern which can take care of basic straight sewing. Some advanced features under the hood include built-in bobbin winder and the thread cutter. There's also a top drop bobbin function that makes it easy to set up and use the machine. There is no reverse function on NEX and the machine cannot sew through multiple layers. NEX Portable Sewing Machine has a built-in LED light that lights up the work area. This machine has been built with children's safety in mind, therefore, the needle has a safety cover. It covers the entire area and keeps the fingers away from the needle. The machine comes with accessories like 4 needles, 4 thread spools, 1 DC motor supply, 1 needle threader and 1 foot pedal.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.